Hey, I'm Lotus Cafe and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Indo-Western fusion look. You can wear this look to weddings, since the season's upon us, and also to various far from traditional outings. Let's get started. Shout out to Nasty Ninja for this bomb skin food avocado leave-in serum. It's awesome. Yes, I finally got mine. I'm using the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir to hydrate my face. For correction, I'm using the green in this concealer palette with a flat brush on my breakouts and discoloration. Now I'm using the purple from the same to correct my dullness. I'm using a damp blending sponge to blend all of that in. Applying my trusty old MAC Match Master foundation all over my face. Honestly, I love this product. Now I'm using some concealer to cover up all my blemishes for good. You can blend all the excess concealer onto your lids. No waste and your eyelids are prepped. Next, I'm going to use my Revlon Color Stay Compact to even my skin tone. If you frequented my channel, you know how much I love this Technique Color Fix Bronzer palette. I'm using the two browns to contour my face. Some OG baking powder. I'm gonna bake my face and leave it on for the next 10 minutes. On to my shaggy brows. I'm using this Forever 21 Shimmery palette, mixing the brown and the black as needed for filling out my brows. Filling in my brows! Oh! To set them to perfection, I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Mascara. Let's get that bake off. I'm swiping my face in swift motions to remove excess translucent powder. I'm concealing around my brows for a sharper look. I'm using the Huda Beauty eye pencil to draw along my lash line till about halfway and connecting the same line into my crease line. Once that's done, I'm going to smudge it and use some black shadow for more definition. I'm going to take some of the yellow eyeshadow and apply it on my brow bone and the parts of my lids that haven't been covered by black. I'm filling in my lower lash line with the same kohl and smudging it with the brush once again. Some white for the inner corners as well. To dramatize further, I'm going to apply some fake lashes and a nice coat of mascara to go with that. On to my favorite part of makeup videos, highlighting. I'm going to use the blush from this highlighter palette to add some color to my cheeks and then go over it with the silver highlighter. Oh bless me, this is amazing. Since my eyes had so much drama, I wanted to use a simple one-tone lipstick to go with that. And what better than the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Leo? And voila! The look is complete. I hope you liked it, and if you did, show some love, leave a comment, leave a like, or if you really like me, then go share it on your Facebook. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.